for NASA. Black knocked down some trees. Officials say that today's explosion was 5 times stronger than the initial activity that they had last Wednesday. This volcano is located on a remote mountain range. It's 3 o'clock this morning. Blue clouds around at 5 o'clock. Series of live reports, including the northwest suburbs where it's getting worse by the minute.
Traffic is moving very slow as people try to get home before the brunt of the storm actually hits.
And it's level on the lakefront. All the wind is expected to bring waves crashing over Lakeshore Drive.
No kidding.
First time in the history of Bristol Zoo, Groundhog Day, and early after all this weather. ABC 7 News at 5 o'clock is next.
Launching the 100% reinvented Explorer. Uncover one for yourself. Only during auto show. Use the 2011 Ford for just $289 a month. Visit our Ford store and drive one. We're not even sure where they are, Ben. Where are you? Still not.
I'm not sure what you surely are, but I can tell you things. Picture may be a little rough at times, but I think the picture will be clear to you. Our speed thermometer right now is 15 miles per hour. It's never been above 25. We left downtown at 3:20 this afternoon, and we're just now getting to Oak Park, more than an hour and a half later. The good news is that the icing, however, is drivable. All 4 outbound lanes are snow-covered, but open. The bad news is, as long as there are so many cars on the roadways, snowplows can't make much progress. And if we can't move, neither can the plows. So what they're going to have to do is not
very good. The Kennedy inbound, an hour and a half from O'Hare to downtown, outbound, hour and 20 minutes, 2 hours. Eisenhower about an hour inbound, Wolf to downtown, outbound, downtown to Wolf, just about an hour. Hour and a half on the Stevenson. Inbound of the Tri-State to Lakeshore Drive, more than an hour and a half going back out on the Stevenson to the Tri-State. It really is a mess out there. Dan Ryan, 45 minutes outbound to 95th. Outbound on Lakeshore Drive, if you're going from Valdo to Hollywood, that's an hour and 20 minutes. The only reasonable time is on the Lakeshore Drive. If you're outbound Monroe to Marquette, still a 20-minute drive.
Governor Flynn has activated the Illinois National Guard to help drivers stranded on the interstate highways. More than 500 guardsmen will be stationed at rest areas on the interstates and tollways north of Interstate 70 stopped for the day. More than 1,300 flights have been canceled at O'Hare Airport. The city aviation department says more airlines are hoping to resume flights by tomorrow afternoon.
Just a little while ago, we saw Mayor Daley monitoring the city's response to the storm at the Office of Emergency Management and Communications Command Center. He was there as workers are keeping an eye on the hundreds of snow plows that are out patrolling the streets.
So you always stay in balance. To Crescent Pole. Chase with Meta. 4 more times. Right now you're taking
To whip up surf along the shoreline. A lakeshore flood warning goes into effect in just about an hour.
ABC 7's Leah Hope is live at North Avenue Beach, where we expect to see waves crashing tonight, Leah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we were wondering what the waves are doing. Unfortunately, we really can't see them right now. This is really, truly whiteout conditions here along the lakefront. The traffic here along Lakeshore Drive is really horrible. As you were talking about the travel time, that is absolutely the case. And even as early as about 2:30, 3 o'clock, we were seeing some whiteout conditions in some places, built up along with sand dunes, along the beaches. Now that is blowing over Lakeshore Drive. You can see a few folks are coming out to take pictures, and only a few folks who truly have the right kind of gear have come out. And people trying to get home on Lakeshore Drive, well, they're just going to be sitting in their cars for a while. And quite frankly, to me going slowly is really the smart thing to do in this situation because you can't see anything. I see the camera a little bit, so hopefully you can see me, but that is the latest here along the lakefront. We're North Avenue and Lakeshore Drive. Back to you guys in the studio.
We do see you, Leah, but the things around you are starting to look a little scary.
All right, well, we could show you Lakeshore Drive. I'm going to show them Lakeshore Drive right here with my camera.
The gym operated by the family of a former coach who was accused of molesting girls there. Fire started about 4 this morning at the American Gymnastics facility in Aurora. That gym is owned by the mother of Michael Cardamone. He was convicted of abusing 7 girls in 2005 and sentenced to 20 years in prison, but that conviction was overturned by an appeals court. The Grace County prosecutors say they